Hey, Darren here, ChatGPT with Canva is crazy, but most people ignore this secret feature, the best way of using. I must tell you, there is a limitation with ChatGPT 4.0 with Canva, is that you cannot use custom knowledge base. Okay, you cannot use the Canva feature, which is a better workflow to edit documents, work on projects. You cannot use this with custom GPTs, which means with ChatGPT 4, with Canvas, you still have dumb ChatGPT, the basic model with no specific knowledge. At least this is what most people think. But there is a trick you can use in order to benefit from the Canva feature and also for the custom GPT power. Want to see it? Let's dive. Okay, I've worked a bit on this LinkedIn post. Now let's use custom GPT inside ChatGPT 4.0 with Canva. Okay, so here you can call using this function. You can call, for instance, my hook mastery GPT that suggests 3 different, hopefully better hooks. And then I can just hit it here. Now let's imagine I'm not satisfied with the structure of the LinkedIn post. Let's use another custom GPT, one that is specialized in LinkedIn, like the LinkedIn Mastery GPT. Here I'm asking LinkedIn Mastery to create 3 different variations of this copy. So an educational one, which is shorter than this one, by the way. A problem solution structure, agitating the reader's pain, and a narrative storytelling structure. Like a few weeks ago, I hit a wall with ChatGPT, Canva, blah, blah, blah. Okay, interesting. And then I could ask it to expand the copy, to edit the current LinkedIn post with the new copy that I've selected, and I could go on working on that. Okay. Now let's do something interesting. Let's try to stick with this LinkedIn post here, not using the new structure I've made my LinkedIn Mastery GPT create, but trying to improve just the copy here. And for that, I will use my copy analysis, copywriter analyzer. Okay. So let's go. So now it's doing the copywriting analysis. And now it's rewriting the post. Okay, we won't read everything, but just to check, okay? List the improvements you have implemented before and after. And by the way, let's have the full view here. So it improved the wording for me before, after, clear, direct, highlight specific tasks that custom GPT can handle, clarity, specificity, and curiosity open loops. Not strong open loops in the original one, better open loops in the new version. Emotional resonance as well, engagement CTA, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it was just, like I can reopen the Canva here. It was just to illustrate how you can use the power of ChatGPT with Canva in terms of workflow and editing and working on a text or on a project, combined with the specific custom GPT with specific knowledge that are very specialized in night tasks. So you have the best of both worlds. Nice workflow for editing and working on a project, and very smart, specialized custom GPTs, AI assistants. Okay, of course, that's kind of a hack. ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas is still in beta, which means the workflow is not perfect, the interaction is not perfect, can be improved, and it's not meant to be used with custom GPT yet. I'm pretty sure OpenAI will release this soon. allowing to use Canvas with custom GPTs. For the moment, this hack works fine. You need to play a bit with it. You will see it's not, sometimes you need to adapt a bit, but guess what? You get way better results combining Canvas plus custom GPTs compared to just using Canvas on one side or custom GPTs on the other side. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this. Keep in touch.